I'm so grateful the seller gifted me this Dr. Pen microneedling system for my at-home skincare because I'm in my skincare era and I'm so excited to give this a try. Let's check it out. Okay, this is the Dr. Pen Auto Microneedling System, and let's just take a look inside what it all comes with. So in here is the instruction manual. So when you're new to microneedling like I am, you can get all the information about your home microneedling system here and how to operate the pen. And then in here are the different microneedling gauge tips. So it tells you what type and how much of a gauge it is. These right here are the nanos. Here is a 16 gauge needle right in there, as you can see. And then it goes up to a 36 gauge as well. So you can see the different pens in there. They're all sterile, they come sterile, and they also have their fabrication date, so you know how new and clean it is, as well as their expiry date, so when to use these by. So 3 16s, 3 36, 3 nanos, and a 42 gauge needle. So you can see about there. And then the charging system, because I love the fact that this is wireless and cordless, so it's much easier to use and to travel with, which makes it awesome to take on the go with you whenever you need just a little bit of a clean skin touch-up. Or if you want to take it to, you know, a bridesmaid party or a friend's house, or have like a skincare night with your girlfriends, this is a perfect one that you can take with you, because you can always bring the charger, but it stays charged and you can just take it portably with you anywhere you go. And here is the microneedling pen itself. It's a nice weight. It's nice and heavy. It's beautiful. It's all professional grade. And there's the top for the tips for the different gauge needles. So if you look right here closely, it tells you the depth of the needle, so you can adjust it based on your experience and comfort level for the depth you want it to go. As a newbie, I'm just going to put it on the lowest setting, probably a 0.25 here, because it's my first time trying this out in an at-home kit, so I just want to test it out and see how I feel, and then I can move it up as I go. And the more you do it, the more your skin can tolerate, so that you can go deeper and deeper to penetrate that collagen and elasticity production to help improve your skin tone and smoothness, overall color and texture. So it has settings for every level of comfort and every level of experience, with room to grow, so you can go deeper as your skin adjusts, and also so you can keep going for the deep level benefits of microneedling. So there's room to grow with this pen because it has so many different settings. So you want to prep for the procedure with some alcohol swabs to sterilize the tip of the pen, as well as a hyaluronic acid pure serum. Any type will be fine as your gliding gel for the pen to glide on smoothly. And then you want to grab a pair of gloves that you want to put on in preparation for the procedure, just keeping everything clean and sterile. Since the microneedling pen is in fact small little punctures into your skin, so you want to make sure that everything's clean and sterile to give it the most optimal results and to help with healing the fastest way possible. So the pen is just charging, and we're going to just use the 36 grade needle because it's good for beginners, the larger surface areas. So we can just do fewer strokes as we're just learning how to do this. And again, this comes in sterile packaging already, and we will just hook that up to the end of the pen when it's done charging, and we'll give a demo of the procedure. Okay, so the pen is all charged up. We have our gloves, we've sterilized our surfaces. So then just this part inserts into the pen directly horizontally until it clicks. And then here you adjust your depth. And so I said I was just going to do the 0.25. And there's our 36 size cartridge. And then you just turn the pen on. Okay, and then there's our 1 setting, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 different settings. And there you are. So let's test it out. And then to shut it off, you just hold it down and it shuts off. So I'm just putting on the lubricating oil so that it'll glide smoothly across my face. So again, a nice one to use is the hyaluronic acid serum because it penetrates nicely into your skin. And the one I've actually used is this prickly pear cactus seed oil because it's pure and organic. So it really will help the skin with the healing and also will just be really nice on the skin. So setting our pen here, we just do like smooth upward motions like this, really just penetrating through the skin, maybe a little bit slower here. You can really feel the little needles working on your skin there. And then same with the cheeks. You can just work your way like this. Slow motions, just getting really into that skin there. In a nice gliding motion. You can also stamp some of the more troubled areas by just pushing in on the pen. So what I also love about this pen is that it's got like an anti-slip grip. So when you get some oils and stuff on your face, that it won't slip. And I just love that it's travel size. Like I said, it would be great for your next girls' night. If you just want to kind of take care of your skin, you can each have your own sterile needle head for the different types. Maybe some people are new to it like I am, or someone's more experienced, then they can use one of the smaller heads. But I love that this is a bigger one so that it covers a lot bigger surface area for me to be able to do less strokes as somebody who's new to this. So micro needling really helps with skin pigmentation and helps reproduce collagen production and elasticity. It helps with melasma that often people get hormonally post-pregnancy. You get different splotches and stuff on your skin and different discoloration. So microneedling really helps with that. And it is totally normal to be red after doing a full treatment and even to have some puncturing in the skin. That's just going to regenerate the cells and is going to heal. And typically it heals about 24 to 48 hours. And you will see your skin brightening over time and you will see the change in the skin tone and texture and color. So if you've been looking for an at-home microneedling kit to help your skin texture, tone, and color, and to regenerate some cells for collagen production so that you can get nice, youthful, smooth skin, I highly recommend the Dr. Pen Microneedling Kit.